morning. I am here at the Rattlesnake Ledges Trailhead, and today I have basically everybody with me. We've got the corgis, we got Ben and Mary, and Willow, and today we are going to be hiking Cedar Butte. This is another kind of small mountain out here in North Bend, and it is 900 feet of elevation gain in 3.5 miles. This is a really good alternate to some more popular trails in the area like Rattlesnake and Little Cy, and we are going to get some views at the top. It is raining right now, however, that we are expecting that to clear up. Some of this is just water falling off the trees from it raining earlier, but should be a really pretty trail. Let's get going. So far we've been on our old gravel road walk, but this lake here is called Christmas Lake. It's so cute. It looks like a good beaver habitat or something. Also beautiful mossy trees, but Christmas Lake is so cute. So at last we have reached the turnoff for Cedar Butte. It's just past the creek, and now we are going to start gaining some elevation and hopefully get under some tree cover and get out of the rain just a little bit. It's going to burn off, I promise. This trail, now that we're on the proper Cedar Butte trail, it is so cute. It is just this narrow little path weaving through the woods, and it is so mossy. It is quite pretty. I think this could definitely be appreciated in any weather. Getting up there, the elevation gain has been quite gradual too, so not too bad.
A raindrop just fell in my shoe.
Buffy, did you see it? Did you see it?
Oh, Willow.
Oh, she's so excited. So Buffy saw the squirrel and is now looking for it. Buffy, did you see the squirrel? I know, the squirrel ran away, sweetie. The squirrel ran away. One of the problems with hiking with dogs is sometimes the squirrel sighting can turn into a whole event. So we've reached a junction, so the summit is down this road, and down this trail is Blowout. So it lets you make this into a nice little loop, and so we're gonna go down the Blowout trail, which reconnects with the main Cedar Butte trail on our way down, but we're gonna summit first. Definitely wanna spend some more time in this woods. It's so pretty and mossy, and it is still raining, as I'm sure you can hear and see, but we're still really enjoying this trail. Very pretty. There's our fantastic view of the valley. Oh boy. So this is the summit of Cedar Butte, and behind me is the view you would be getting down of the valley and the surrounding mountains if we had not hiked into the cloud and if the weather had cooperated a little bit better. But this is the summit. This would be a pretty good view on a clear day, I gotta say. You can see a little bit, like the clouds are kind of clearing up, but yeah, definitely not ideal. This is pretty steep drop off too. But you guys, this is what we came for. This is what we came for. Look. You guys, look. Cedar Butte.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, did the E get?
No, there was never an E. They misspelled it.
Really?
This is why we came, for a misspelling on a summit marker. Angel, what do you think? Buffy.
In the mud.
This is a much rainier trail than the puppy's bargained for. Buffy is not happy that her feet are wet. Buffy, I know, I'm sorry, sweetie. You got rain on. Willow, what do you think?
Oh no, she looks so
She did.
wonderful.
No.
Yeah, this is a sad wet Aussie. I'm sorry, Widow. They did get to see squirrels. Yes, a lot of recently downed trees, I think, from the snowstorms and stuff, tipped over a lot. And these cliffs are pretty cool. Definitely don't go to the absolute edge, but This is pretty cool. I think on a clear day, this would be an amazing view and an alternative to Little Cy. I can kind of like see sun over the highway, but not here. Not here, unfortunately, today. Okay, so we are coming off the summit. It took us just over an hour to get up. Actually, maybe less than an hour. It was really easy. So now we're heading back down and we're gonna take the alternate little loop to connect back to the main trail. And then at the very end, we are actually gonna be looking at Rattlesnake Lake, which is the lake right beneath Rattlesnake Ledge at the parking lot. So still got some fun things to see on this one. You guys, look at this stump. This is like a cauldron of moss.
Oh yeah, oh those ones are cute.
Look at all the different types of moss on this. This is Rattlesnake Lake. And right up there is Rattlesnake Ledges. We made it back to the car. It is still raining, so the weather report was more than a little bit off, as you can see. I am quite soaked. But anyway, it was still a really pretty trail, and I think that would be a cool viewpoint if you were to come here on a clearer day. I think it's a really good alternate to Little Cy and some of the more popular shorter trails around this area. It is right next to Rattlesnake Ledges, which is one of the most popular trails in the state, so parking can probably be a nightmare here on the weekends, but we're here on a rainy weekday, which was apparently the day to come because we didn't really see anybody else. There were like 2 other people in the parking lot. So it was great. The trail was beautiful and mossy, and I think everybody enjoyed it. What did you think, Ben?
It was pretty good.
Yeah?
Obviously, the rain and cloudiness made it a bit less exciting than it could have been, but it was still fun.
What did you think, Mary?
I thought it was fun. The forest was nice.
Yeah, the forest is really pretty. Buffy. We have a very sad, wet corgis back here, and a very sad, wet willows under the blankets. So we are gonna get going, get home, get dry, and come out hiking on the next nice day. So if you enjoyed this, you can give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to follow more adventures here on trail in Washington State. Thank you so much for watching, and here are my favorite pictures from the trail today. Enjoy.